Distinguished guests, distinguished members of the Committee of Experts on Public Administration, all distinguished and welcomed observers, members of staff of the Division of Public Administration and Development Management, ladies and gentlemen. It is with great honor as the chairman of the Committee of Experts that I welcome you here on the first day of the 10th session of the annual meeting of the Committee of Experts on Public Administration. It is now my distinct pleasure to introduce to you those accompanying me at the podium for the official opening of the 10th CEPA meeting. On my right, I present the Vice President of the Economic and Social Council, His Excellency Mr. Gonzalo Gutierrez Reynel, Permanent Representative of Peru to the United Nations. Mr. Gutierrez Reynel will present the opening statement for this session. Immediately after, on my right too, representing the Undersecretary General of the United Nations Department of Economic and Social Affairs, Mr. Shatsu Khan, I present Mr. Jomo, who will be delivering the welcoming address this morning. To my far left is Dr. Susan Woodward, Professor of Political Science at the Graduate Center of the City University of New York. Dr. Woodward is the rapporteur of the 9th session of CEPA. And on my left is the Dr. John Mary Causia, officer in charge of the Division of Public Administration and Development Management. Thank you all for being here. The UN Committee of Experts on Public Administration, established by ECOSOC in 2001 to support the work of Council concerning the promotion and development of public administration and governance among member states, celebrates this year its 10th meeting. It is an emblematic anniversary as well as an appropriate circumstance for the committee members to renew their full commitment with the UN mandate. Our mandate is to provide formal advice on public administration issues related to the implementation of internationally agreed development goals and of the Millennium Development Goals. According with the approved multi-year program of the committee, Public Governance for Results to Improve the Quality of the Human Life, we are going to address in this 10th CEPA meeting relevant subjects for governments and societies, such as the conceptual and operational framework of public governance for results, paying attention to the distinctive components, standards, indicators of public governance, and the key role to play by public administration in the new governance. Public governance for results in post-conflict and post-disaster countries will be an issue deserving our most thoughtful analysis and practical recommendations insofar the problems, needs, and sorrows of the people hit by floods, droughts, fires, earthquakes are more recurrent. We will address also the key issue of governance for results in social protection policies for vulnerable populations, which is a critical problem in many of my own countries, and a decisive policy as well to attain the MDGs. How to improve and to manage the performance of public organizations and public servants will be another topic of our consideration and debate in this meeting. According to ECOSOC's resolution of May 1967, we shall also review the UN program in public administration and finance. In addition, we'll have specific meetings with the DPA-DM executive branches to assess their work and contribute to improve the quality and efficacy of their activities and products. Excellencies, your presence at the inauguration of the meeting is a very appreciated distinction and an incentive for all CEPA members who endorse their full engagement into our advisory activities, hoping to be relevant and to be useful to the Economic and Social Council and to the Department of Economic and Social Affairs, and through your institutions, to UN member states. I now invite the Vice President of ECOSOC, His Excellency Mr. Gonzalo Gutierrez Reynal, to take the podium and to present the opening statement.